Afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be. My name is Petreski. Today is April 8th, 2022. This is the market commentary for today. We'll begin in a few seconds here as soon as the disclaimer runs its course. My name is Bojan Petreski again. Today is April 8th, 2022. This is the 3D market commentary. Let's go ahead and get started. This is what the market commentary would look like in your inbox right here. Call it a 3D market commentary because we utilize a 3D approach. What does that mean? We utilize three dimensions that we analyze and look to get a statistical and objective and realistic approach when it comes to trading. The first one is the market climate, the indicator down below, that gives us the potential long or short opportunities for the market. Buy and sell UFOs, the short or long opportunities, the unfilled orders that are responsible as turning points for our instrument that we have loaded, and then of course the market volatility, the upcoming price change speed, whether or not we should be adjusting our risk and reward ratio. So we combine these, as I said, to get an edge on the markets. Of course, the first one that we're going to analyze here is the S&P 500, already loaded for us. We see that the current market climate is down. It is confirmed, and it's that it's down for out of typically 3, even though we're seeing a bit of a bounce here in this area for the past 2 days. Currently, the sell UFO that's near current price is 45.74 to 46.31. However, it's also overlapping to 46.06 to 46.71.75. And then the buy UFO down below 44.06.75 to 43.20.25. I understand that this one is quite large, but again, this is on the daily time frame. This is just giving us a bit of a bigger move, a bigger swing on the overall market that we're looking at. Currently, according to the VIX, we are at 21.35%. Daily expected move is 60 points. As far as the ES, we've spoken about this a couple of times, right? We've had a good drop from the all-time highs here. We ended up bouncing back up, in a bit of a double top here. Went lower again, pulled up, didn't challenge it, then made a higher high. We challenged that double top right here, and we closed above it, thinking that this is it. We're going to run again to the top, but we did not. We actually bounced off. The climate was just excessively overextended at that point, and it was expected to see this. Again, it's a little bit more unexpected when you see this run for like 20, 30 days in a row, like it has in the past. But this was a bit more expected, if I may, to sort of a pullback. Now we're going to see if we're going to get any another challenge to this high here from this push to the upside. However, as I said, the climate is confirmed. It is end of the week and the end of the sensible point of the climate to go down for. So we're going to see how those things to affect with each other. If you're looking to educate yourself, we offer the main asset classes, futures, stocks, and forex, as well as backtesting trading plans psychology, without which trade, but without knowing the backtest, knowing how to put a proper trading plan together, knowing the trading psychology that's in the back of your head, there's a good chance that you will be struggling. Any one of these comes with a free complimentary access to auto UFOs and auto climate, and you can use this link here to browse for a course, or of course you can go to the link down below here, which is the .com/Bojan. Okay, the next market that we're going to look at is crude oil. All right, so crude, a little flat for the day, surprisingly. Currently in a down climate, it is confirmed 9th out of 6 days that it's been going down for. If you're not counting the 2 unconfirmed here, 7 out of 6. A brand new UFO has been generated here, 99.88 to 105.59 from this drop right here. Like that, is sliding downwards right now, and then in a bit of a channel, which is interesting to see. We'll see if this is going to end up being like either a channel or a bull flag or some other formation. However, it is saying that it's extendedly going down for. It's also at these lows here. So there's a few things actually a little bit calmed down now, 50%, which is funny to say given the current macroeconomic situation. But again, crude oil is just simply testing those below 100 areas to see if it's going to. Now, if you need the Auto UFOs app, it is available for TradingView, TradeStation, MetaTrader, and of course our minutes. You can use this link here to subscribe the Auto UFOs app, or of course you can use the link at tradewithufos.com/Bojan. Any of these come with a monthly or yearly membership. Of course, the yearly membership one. Okay, confirmed up climate out of typically 7, as we see here, it is confirmed. We do have a buy UFO down below at 18.15.8 to 17.88.5, 1960.6, 15.1 is the sell UFO. According to GVZ, we're at 18% volatility, 22 points for the day, or $22 for the day. Again, has not been achieved, and gold opened a few minutes ago. For gold, we saw that big spike when volatility kicked up. I mean, it just went, sky from the 1700s to the over 2000, $300 move. A month and a half or so. We've only seen it come back 1800, so still an impressive move from those lows down there. Given the fact that gold is the typical haven for money when volatility kicks high. Okay, now as far as coaching and support, it is apart from live trading sessions that we have, you can sign up here for an all asset advanced coaching. This is set up a session with any one of the instructors on our, so that you can get the help that you want as far as your trading comes to mind, as far as your psychology may come to mind. So it is available to you. You can use this link here, or of course you can use this link down here to schedule a one-on-one with me. All right, the next one is the dollar, and look at that. We were talking about this several days now. The first UFO that was here has been taken out. We are seeing that currently it's the mark 5. Our market climate is confirmed. The nearest sell UFO is at 100 point. Of course, there was a UFO that was right in this area right here, so the price is currently still within it. However, not there anymore because that UFO has been used up. Excuse me. And that UFO, could or could not make price react right now. Given the fact that we're on the climate, and also today is Friday, there's a good chance we see a reaction. According to EVZ, 0.57 movement for the day. Of course, the auto UFOs as of late, you've seen it this exact UFO multiple times here. Right now we are looking price push up into close to that 100 price range. Today it may play into effect as far as the price reaction based off of a filled UFO that was there already. Is to see that it's very, very close to this 100.095 range. To read this, you're more than welcome to join me and my colleague Becky Monday through Friday. You can watch it. I'm going to tell you about our platform, which is the Top Trader platform. That is our very own platform that we developed internally. This is a platform that all retail setting, all server based, so that way the legwork is done by the server side. Learn more and subscribe here. Broker agnostic platform, so you can plug in a different broker to trade all assets. Okay, there we got loaded up. Right now, excuse me. Now we are seeing that Bitcoin is not confirmed for 2 days now. 832.5 in nearest buy UFO, sell UFO is the one that got generated from this top here, 47,317.5, 4435, based on BVIN, which is again for Bitcoin 61.76%, 700 for the day. This is actually a little less than what it used to be. It used to be over 2,000. Now it's kind of area. We're gonna see if that's going to continue. Of course, on Bitcoin, we know we tested this 48,000 area again, and have since then dropped down to the 43,000. So quite the drop. Quite a few candles, weeks are going to happen for the rest of the day. All right, and that's for today. I'm just going to go over the fact that there are actually, right as we started the session, net change in employment for Canada and unemployment rate, and the CPI in China. All right, folks, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the session. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask right here on this link down below, or I'm going to share my email. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a wonderful rest of the day and a